Let's come to today's topic. This is ordinal numbers. Okay, please spell this word ORDINAL, ordinal numbers. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you what is ordinal numbers. It tells about the position on the ऑर्डर ऑफ नंबर्स. ये क्या करता है? ये हमें पोजीशन के बारे में बताता है. हाउ? फॉर क्लियरिंग दिस टॉपिक आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. ओके, कैन यू टेल मी योर पोजीशन इन प्रेप क्लास? आप लोगों ने प्रेप में कौन सा पोजीशन लिया था? ऑफकोर्स सम विल से फर्स्ट, some will say I stood second, some on third position, fourth, fifth. Also rankers are there na. So this first, second, third, fourth is ordinal numbers. Okay, and I want to ask you some more thing. This is if I'll ask you कि आपका घर कौन से फ्लोर पे है या आपका क्लास कौन से फ्लोर पे है, तो इसका आंसर हमें कैसे देंगे? इसका भी हम लोग बोलेंगे फर्स्ट फ्लोर, सेकंड फ्लोर, थर्ड फ्लोर, फोर्थ फ्लोर. अगेन वी आर आंसरिंग इन फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड ना. सो दीज आर ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. ओके, नाउ गेट रेडी टू आंसर some more questions. You can see I have drawn some pictures for you. These are total 18 numbers. Let me clarify what is this. First is chocolate, second is tree, third is a ball, fourth flower, fifth ice cream, sixth star, seventh pencil, and eighth is a boy. Okay, now get ready to answer my question. What is this? This is a tree now. Can you tell me the position of tree in this sequence? Start counting. First, second. What is the position? This is second. So I have written here second. Okay. In the same manner, can you tell me the position of flower in this sequence? Count. First, second, third, fourth. So you will write here FOURTH, fourth. Okay, now can you tell me which picture is on seventh position? Count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. It is a pencil, so I am going to draw a pencil here. And what is on first position? It's a toffee, so draw a toffee. Okay, so please notice how I have written here the positions. I have written second and fourth in a spelling form na. Yes, this second and fourth both are ordinal numbers. And I have written seventh with number, first with number also here. This both is also ordinal numbers. So we can write ordinal numbers in two forms, in first, second, third, fourth form, and in this way also. Okay, now see what I have got for you. I have make a list for ordinal numbers. Read out order of numbers in counting. What is this? Order of numbers in counting. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th. Okay, and on the other side I have written this in number form, digit form also. Look, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th and till 20th. Okay, so have you noticed anything? Have you noticed anything? Let me explain you. When we write first with number, what I have to do? I have to write 1 and ST on the top of 1 in small letter. Okay, in the same way, if I need to write second, how will you write? You will write 2, then ND in the small form. Third, you will write 3 and RD in the small form. Okay, after these 4th, 5th, 6th, so on, what will you do? You will write numbers in digit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then you will write TH on the top of number. Okay, जब हम लोग फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड लिखते हैं तो इसमें हमें अलग अलग लिखना होता है और उसके बाद फोर्थ से लेकर के जिस भी नंबर तक को हमें लिखना हो तो उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, हम उस नंबर को लिखने के बाद उसके ऊपर TH स्मॉल लेटर में लिख देते हैं. ओके, आफ्टर दिस आई वांट टू टीच यू डेज ऑफ द वीक. हाउ मेनी डेज इन अ वीक? कम ऑन, आंसर मी. Yes, there is 7 days in a week. These are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, this side I have written ordinals. It means I have written the position of day in a week. Sunday, first day of the week. Monday, second day of the week. Tuesday, third day of the week. Wednesday, fourth day of the week. Thursday, fifth. Friday, sixth and Saturday is 7th day of the week. Okay, in the same way I want to show you months of the year also. How many months in a year? There are total 12 months in a year. These are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Isn't it? And you can see the positions of months. January is the first month of the year. February is the second month of the year. March is the third month of the year. Like in this way, April to December, I have written the position of months of year. Okay, hope you enjoy this class. What you will do? You will learn all the spellings of days of the week and months of the year. Okay, and I'll give you your homework in PDF form. Thank you so much.